Okay guys, so today we'll be making a sandwich pizza, and this is just easy stuff you can make at night. Ignore the dogs outside. So first we need is 3 pieces of bread, then a small onion, a small tomato, pizza seasoning. You can also use oregano and chili flakes. It's actually a mix. Mozzarella, yeah, and cheese slice, and of course chili sauce. You can also use tomato sauce and also a little bit of salt. So these are the ingredients that we need to make this sandwich pizza. So let's get started. So step one is to spread the ketchup and chili sauce. I actually mixed both, and then add in your onions and tomatoes, which you have cut into smaller pieces. I'll actually recommend getting bigger ones, I mean the bigger sandwich for the bread, so that this is actually done in a better way. Now, the reason why I'm stuffing them in the bottom part is because we want them to be cooked properly, and because this part will be initially down, facing down, so it'll get the highest amount of heat. Now, this is how it's supposed to look. Now, on to the next step. Now, after that, add in your butter. I'm using the Nutrilla Light, so it's kind of crummy and all that, but it'll melt. This will help in cooking as the butter will heat up and all that, and a pinch of salt. Once this is done, grate your mozzarella on top of the concoction and slap one of these, and then repeat it all over again. We'll meet you once this is done. Mozzarella is grated, and boom. So this is the first layer. Yes, you heard that right. It's for midnight snack, right? So yeah, and repeat. So we have to make two of these identical types. Now for the final thing, the pizza seasoning mix. So just sprinkle it on top of these and you should be good to go. Let me do that real quick. As you can see, it's actually a mix of both oregano and chili flakes. So if you have oregano at home, you don't need to get this. You can simply just use chili flakes. So boom. Now the reason why I did the same thing is because you need to put this middle one as a support base and then flip this entire side over this side, because both the vegetables will be on both the sides and this is a heavy snack. So yeah, I hope I can do it in one hand. Hey, we did it. Wow, that is big. So now we have to cook it in low heat for around 15 minutes or so. It'll take around 15 minutes. Yeah, we'll see you once it is almost done. Light the gas, put on the pan, take out the butter, and my camera cannot focus. Now scoop. just this is it. Now this big boy will be sitting here on top for 15 minutes. It'll take around 5 to 6 minutes to cook. Uh, yes. Now that's settled, we can just rest. Reason why I mentioned to cook it slowly, so that it actually becomes kind of hard to get crispy and it cooks very well. Now you can see it's just cooking very well, and as you can see over here, it's also oozing that butter out. So this shows that it's getting cooked slowly and slowly. Now once this side is done, okay, you go to the other side, let that cook for this way, then again turn it over. You have to do it, the initial one will be around 3-4 minutes or something like that, then one flip, then it will be kind of like that. So overall it will take around 15 minutes. It's just to make sure that everything gets to know each other and the taste just mix well. By the way, this middle bread, if you don't like it raw, you can pre-toast it and then use it. Preference. I like it like this. Okay, I messed up. Now it's finally done after around 12 to 15 minutes. So what you gotta do, take it up, put it on a nice plate, close the gas, and yeah, here you go. A big juicy pizza sandwich. The taste depends on people. Some may like it, some may not, but overall it is a good meal for midnight. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching LSK's Midnight Cooking Show, and I'm gonna go get myself a bite while watching some anime. Adios. Peace out.